All right, so for the add-on kit, you've got 2 stabilizer bars, an LED panel, extra pair of bumpers, a flat sheet, and the LEDs. And this kit can be used with either the new version of the scanner bin that's adjustable or the simplified version of the scanner bin. So I'll show you the simplified version first. So the first thing you do is you want to install the LEDs on the LED panel, and you'll note there's a crease here. So take the LEDs out of the bag. And put the LEDs through the power cutout here. On the other side, we'll be taking off the blue backing so that we can expose the adhesive. And then just attach them flat, like this. And then that bends along the fold there. And then these separate so that they can grip the top panel like this. And then you plug the light in and you are ready to go. These extra bumpers could be used for a separate phone or anything else that you need. The stabilizer bars can be used to stabilize the unit. You'll see 2 different markings. One is the 9.5 inches and one is the 9 inches. So 9.5 is for the prior scanner bin, this version, and the 9 inches for the other version. So just simply attach them so that the slits are gripping the sides of the scanner bin, and it will add some additional structural stability. Okay, so the add-on kit can also be used with the new scanner bin. To do that, you'll open it up, open up the back panel, like so. Use the stabilizer bars to keep it standing upright, so put one down low, like this, and the other in the front. Like this. And if you angle them, they provide a little bit of additional stability. So you've got them angled like that. Put your LED on the front side. Okay, so you've got the front LED panel, and then install the extra one in the back. Like this, and plug it into a power source as well. So now you have light coming from both directions to provide even more even lighting. If you have a receipt that's folded and you want to scan it, you can use the flat sheet. So just simply put the flat sheet on top of the receipt and use your hand to push it down and it will stay that way. If you see these LED glare marks at the bottom, that means your LED panel's just a little too close, so just pull it back out a little bit. And you can also adjust the angle of the LEDs. And now you are ready to scan the receipt.